The month before my son was born, a little robin used to sit on his windowsill every single day, looking in. And the day before he was born, the bird disappeared. And I used to tell my son this story, and he always wanted me to retell it because it made him feel special and kind of chosen by this bird. The day after he passed, I was listening to Pandora, and out of the blue, this song came on that I had never heard before, which surprises me because I was a big fan of Neil Young and Linda Ronstadt. Anyway, it's a Neil Young song called The Birds. Lover, there will be another one who'll hover over you beneath the sun. Tomorrow, see the things that never come today. And when you see me fly without you, shadow on the things you know, feathers fall around you and show you the way to go. It's over. It's over. Nestled in your wings, my little one. Special morning brings another sun. Tomorrow, see the things that never come today. And when you see me fly without you, shadow on the things you know, feathers fall around you and show you the way to go. It's over. It's over. And when you see me fly without you, shadow on the things you know, feathers fall around you and they show you the way to go. It's over. It's over. It's a son, picture of my son, Kenai.